Welcome back, y'all. I kind of got industrious for a few days, and I'm sorry, but I kind of forgot to film. So I'll show you what I've got done so far. Yeah, I kind of got industrious, and I kind of got to working on the headache crack, and I kind of forgot to film, so I'm sorry. Anyway, we got this is half-inch ID schedule 40, I think, pipe, and I welded it in, put these two braces here in. We got a piece of sheet iron here. We're going to put, when we take the bed off, back in here. It's going to go back in this area where it'll cover this, so it'll be sheet iron and then bed. We got our bed ball on. We've got our lights all cut out here. We've got quite a bit of it welded. We're fixing to take the bed off, and we're fixing to get underneath it and weld it a lot better, and then weld that sheet iron in, and just do a lot of grinding, welding, finishing up. So that's kind of what we like. So welcome back, and stay tuned for some more. Well, we got it. Thanks helped my wife and my boy Drew. We got this thing on some sawhorses, some steel sawhorses. So if I get under it, I am going to hook it back up to the loader and with the chains and just kind of hold it there in case it was to fall. The chains of the loader will be a safety. So we always got to be safety, you know. Scott Wilker from Wilker Farms, you know, that accident he had with the drawbar on the Big Bud. I don't know if y'all are followers of Wilker Farms and know what I'm talking about, but leg arms there, Scott Wilker broke his arm by that 600-pound drawbar falling on it. So we dang sure don't want to do that. We don't want to have a farm accident. Especially one like his or even worse. So we're going to be using some precautions. Right now we're going to be putting on the front sheet iron, you're going to do a lot of grinding and welding. I'll probably lift it up here one of these days or one of these times, and I'll completely set it on the ground after I'm done doing some of the grinding. That way I can get up there and stand on it and work on the final details of the headache rack and some of that. But as you can see here, it's on stilts. It's on stilts, so and it's pretty stable. I mean, it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. But anyway, that's how it is. So you can sit back and see what we do.